Welcome to Share Talk, the only podcast where investors come first.
Hello and welcome to Share Talk. Today I'm joined by John Barr, who's Executive Chairman at Mosman Oil and Gas. How are you today, John?
Well, thank you, Zach. Morning to you.
We are speaking in the wake of your final results. Most of the metrics there look positive.
We think so. It's been a pretty difficult time, obviously, and Mosman's no exception to the rest of the junior oil and gas segment. But we're happy with where we've got to, and we believe we've set a foundation for coming years.
Right. I mean, obviously the oil price is recovering. We've had vaccine news around the world, so that's helping. Is the environment now going to be better for 2021, you think?
I think it's very difficult to predict where the world is going at the moment. Vaccines would certainly help. Resolving the American political situation would help. Beating COVID would help. But from a company point of view, we've got cash, we've got producing projects. We're extremely happy with the Falcon results. And we think from Mosman's perspective, 2021 will certainly be a lot better than 2020. But yes, it's oil price dependent and it's gas price dependent.
And in terms of the performance, the metrics that you've announced, revenue up 35%, gross profits up 86%. That's clearly backward looking. What can we look forward to in the months ahead?
Fine. The big driver is Falcon. The Falcon's a well that we drilled about a month ago. It's on the eastern side of Texas over near the Louisiana border. And it's a project we have 50% interest in. It's flow tested, it's cased, it's heading to production in the next short period of time. And that could be a significant revenue driver. So there's a million cubic feet of gas, and there's about 80 barrels a day of condensate falling out of that gas. So if you look at our 50% share, that becomes quite a large number. Obviously, there's expenses to offset against that, but that's a fairly significant change for us. And we will then look at the next well, which would be the Galaxy well, which is close by to the Falcon well. The seismic on that looks very good, even better than Falcon, some would suggest. And we would hope to drill that well in the near future, but there's logistical issues to get through yet to be able to allow the drill to start turning.
Right, and in terms of your strategy, you'll say, let's say you've got Falcon, you'll have that up and running relatively soon. Is it developing, or is it also acquiring as well?
We've got a number of projects which we can drill and develop, such as Falcon, such as Galaxy. There's other targets in that Falcon Galaxy area. So we are looking at things always, but we're not sort of out there eagerly chasing things. I think there's plenty on our plate at the moment.
Yeah, so basically it's really for investors to be looking forward to the returns on the existing projects, which should then turn, fully turn this company around. Is that correct?
Yes, I think that's fair to say.
And in terms of the history, have you got everything, all the sort of the write downs out of the way, all the negatives out of the way as well now?
We believe so. Certainly the write down. We've been quite conservative with our write downs, which is the only thing to do, I think, in this environment. We've still wished to sell the Welsh project, and we have got people interested in that. We'll look at selling the Arcoma project. There's a few little things there that need sorting out first. So that sort of cleans up the balance sheet a bit more. There's no debt whatsoever. And enables us to, we've said, and we truly mean this. Our focus will be the East Texas area. So in that area, we've got Greater Stanley, we've got Stanley itself, we've got Challenger, we've got Campion, and this project we acquired a couple of months ago called Cinnabar.
Okay, well, on that note, we'll look forward and see what you're doing, maybe catch up soon. In the meantime, John Barr, Executive Chairman at Mosman Oil and Gas, thank you very much indeed.
Thanks, Zach.
Thank you for listening. Remember to visit our website for more news and other podcasts.